Welcome back guys. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install utorrent on Windows 10 PC. With utorrent you can download any torrent files. So let's start.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
At first go to the link in the description and complete the captcha. Click here to continue, close the pop-up, then wait for 10 seconds. Click on get link, scroll down, utorrent stable, click on download now. The download should be started. I have already downloaded this, so I'm cancelling this. Start the installer. It's extracting the files. Click next, again next, click agree, uncheck this. If you want this, then check this and click next, decline, next, next, and your turn should be started installing. Now if you want to launch, then check this. I'm unchecking this, finish, cross. Here's your utorrent. Open it up. Now with utorrent you can download any torrent files from the internet. So if this video helped, please give a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe my channel, and if you want any solutions, comment down in the comment section. Thanks for watching.